Welcome to our comprehensive guide on resolving withdrawal issues with PrizePicks. Understanding withdrawals is essential for any serious player. Let's explore some common reasons why your withdrawals may not work. It could be due to insufficient funds, incorrect payment details, or account verification issues. We'll walk through the troubleshooting process step by step to ensure your withdrawals are processed smoothly. First, let's verify your account information. It's crucial that all your details are accurate to prevent withdrawal failures. It's important to understand the processing times for withdrawals on PrizePicks, as delays can lead to frustration. Make sure you are familiar with the account verification requirements to ensure that your withdrawals go as planned. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out to PrizePicks support. They're here to help you resolve any remaining concerns. To avoid future withdrawal issues, here are some best practices to keep in mind moving forward. In summary, always verify your account details, understand processing times, and reach out for help when necessary. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and insights regarding PrizePicks and more.